This is the Arduino Nano wireless Morse Code Keyer version 2. Now what I encountered with version 1 with the Arduino Nanos, the Arduino Nano receiver was kind of slow. I had to keep a slow Morse code character count to actually use it and have it. If you go too fast, it would get behind and miss characters. This is the Arduino Nano RP2040 wireless keyer. This is the receiver portion. The receiver portion has been reworked with an RP20 because the Arduino Nano standard at 16 megahertz clock was just too slow. This Arduino Nano RP2040 runs at a clock that's about almost 10 times faster. So we're going to give this a shot. This is the receiver portion right here with the antenna. That receiver portion is connected through level shifters right there to the RP20 because it runs on 3.3 volts. The transmitter and the relay that actually operates the key run on 5 volts. We have a buck power supply here off the batteries. The battery supply, the RP20, and also the buck power supply to get 5 volts for the accessories. We'll power this up. There we go. It is connected through this wire. The relay comes in and plugs into the transmitter. The transmitter is hooked up on a frequency of 10 megahertz for continuous wave CW Morse code. But it is connected to a dummy antenna so that we're not really broadcasting. So here's a time we're going to demonstrate the wireless keyer. Come over here and just send some code. Now I sent that pretty slow. Typing Morse code with just looking at the keyer, it was the radio putting out the tone. And we can see the RP2040 D13 LED turning on too. So we were actually sending a wireless keyer message over there and operating the radio. Is really what I'd like to do is I want to do 15-20 words a minute. Even there, I'm not quite going that fast, but we're struggling a little bit. But this is a vast improvement over using just the Arduino Nano by going to the Arduino Nano RP2040. So that's a demonstration. Our Arduino Nano RP20 wireless stray key. It's working. If we were going to go do this as a real product, we'd make it a lot faster.